All right, equation domino problems. So these are going to be dominoes. If you're in class today, that's what we're doing. Here is the top where I can get my drawing tools. There we go. Okay, so the dot part, this one would be our starting domino. So we're going to kind of work through these kind of sequentially, but it'll work out. So Diego is buying his grandfather's car for $4,850. He puts down $2,000 and he will make 24 equal payments to pay off the car. He's not charged any interest. How much will each payment be? Well, I know that the total amount is going to be $4,850. I know that he's going to put down $2,000, so that's the constant, and he wants to pay it off in 24 months. So, sorry guys, I don't mean to keep doing that. So I'm going to subtract 2,000. So now I have 2,850 in 24 months. I'm going to divide by 24. So X equals, I'm going to use my handy dandy calculator, 2,850 divided by 24, and I get $118.75. So that's how much one month's payment's going to be. Okay, so they want us to determine the value of X. So for this one, I actually put a cheat on your card. I did this for you because we haven't combined like terms yet. So I put all these together. So your equation says 10x and then minus 12. So what, minus 8 equals 72? I think that's what it should say. Okay, so then you're going to add 8 to each side. So 10x equals 80. You would divide by 10 on each side. So x equals, I don't mean to keep doing that to you. X equals 8. Todd would like to purchase a bicycle that costs $246. That's my total. This is $48 more than twice the cost of his last bicycle. So twice the cost, that'd be 2x plus $48, because that's $48 more. And that's going to be equal to $246. How much did his last bicycle cost? So now I'm going to subtract 48. And I get 198 equals 2x. I'm going to divide by 2. So x equals, what, 96? Or 99. Let's see here. We'll go in, I think 99. All right. The cost of renting a car for a day is $20 plus 25 cents per mile. If the total bill was $41.50, then how many miles did the car travel during the day? So it'd be 0.25x plus the $20 equals $41.50. So I'm going to subtract the 20. And I get 0.25x equals $21.50. So now I'm going to divide by 0.25 on each side. I'm going to use my calculator. $21.50 divided by 0.25. I get 86 miles. So x equals 86. The author paid $500 in advance for their book, plus an additional $4 for every book sold. So they're paid $500 in advance plus $4 for each book sold. If the author earns $880, then how many books has the author sold? So they get $500 up front plus 4 times the number of books sold, and that gets me $880. So I'm going to subtract off the $500 that I get automatically, even if I don't sell a single book. and I get divide by 4x. So that's going to be, what, $380 divide by 4. So in my calculator, I'm going to do 380 divided by 4. I get 95 books. It's not very many if you're an author. All right, Jeremy has saved $440 from his summer job. He plans to set aside $55 each week for his expenses. Several weeks later, he has $110 left. How many weeks have passed? Well, I know that I have $55 for each week, and I have 110 left, and I started with 440. So I'm going to subtract off how much I have left. And I'm going to divide by 55. So x equals, so 330 divided by 55 gives me 6. So 6 weeks have passed. All right, a body of water is being drained. It begins with 700 gallons of water, and it's being drained 6.5 gallons each hour. If there are now 388 gallons, then how many hours has it been draining? Okay, well, I have 388 plus 6.5H equals 700, right? Because there were 700 gallons. Yep. So I'm going to subtract off how much is left. So I'm left with 6.5H equals, so 700 minus 388. So 312 gallons were what were drained off. I'm going to divide by 6.5 on each side. And I find out that it's been draining for 48 hours. So 2 days. Okay, Abigail orders a book and 2 identical DVDs from Amazon. The total bill was $42.95. The book cost $7.65. Then how much does each DVD cost? So $7.65 plus 2 DVDs equal $42.95. So I'm going to subtract $7.65 off for the book. I don't hardly ever buy DVDs anymore, except for the kids' DVD players when we travel. Okay, so I've got $35.30. And we're dividing by 2. So $17.65 is how much each DVD costs. All right. Painting with a Twist offers painting classes. They charge a supply fee of $20 and a studio fee of $8 per hour. If Kara budgets $60 for a painting class, then how many hours can she paint? So 8H plus 20 equals 60. So I'm going to subtract the 20. And I get 8H equals 40. Divide by 8. H equals 5. So she can paint for 5 hours. The water temperature at the swimming pool began at 79 degrees and is rising 0.8 of a degree each hour. If the water temperature is 84 degrees, then how many hours have passed? So I'm at 79 plus 0.8 H equals 84 minus 79. 0.8 H equals 5. Divide by 0.8. H equals 5 divided by 0.8. 6.25. All right, last one. I already set up this equation for you on your domino. So that was 2, 6, 10, 11. So you had 11x. And then 2, 4, 0 minus 4 equals 40. So you added 4 to each side and got 44 equals 11x. Divide by 11. X equals 4. All right, so if you have any questions or you need help, just let me know. I hope you have a great rest of your day.